Ready to scale your fashion business? Welcome to the Vyshlo Boutique Sign-Up tutorial. To begin, click on Boutique Sign-Up in the header. Enter your business mail or personal mobile number and click Continue. Review our standard marketplace terms. Once you have scrolled through the document, check the verification box and select Accept Terms to proceed. Enter the 4-digit security code sent to your device and click Verify OTP to authenticate your portal access. Welcome to your core vendor panel. Start by clicking Upload Photo to add an official store avatar or brand logo. Then, input your professional email address and full name to update your primary account details. From your initial dashboard, navigate to the sidebar menu on the left. Click on Dashboard, select User Flow, and then choose Create Shop to build your custom collection storefront. The shop wizard guides you through your operational parameters. Under General, verify your primary contact details, region details, and order settings as per your requirement and click on Update and Next. Next, under Language Data, add your public store description, payment policies, refund policies, and seller information fulfillment timelines to give shoppers absolute clarity and click on Update and Next. Provide your complete return address for inventory logistics. This address will be used for all product returns and inventory management. Next, configure your pickup address. This address will be shared with our integrated delivery partners, ensuring they know exactly where to collect your rented outfits for pickups and returns. Brand identity matters. Under the Media tab, upload a high-resolution banner following the preferred display dimensions alongside your primary brand logo emblem, then click Update and Next. To ensure absolute compliance across our network, complete the secure KYC step by uploading sharp copies of your identity, address, business registration, bank validation, and PAN documents. If you want to pull traffic from outside platforms, you can link your official business social channels here or simply click Skip and Next in the upper right. Now, let's make sure you get paid. Under Bank Details, click Add Bank Details and provide your legal account holder name and your electronic IFSC code. Click Verify to validate your branch instantly. Enter your complete account number and click Save. Finally, select the Shop Rental Agreement tab, upload your contract document in PDF format, and hit Submit. Magnificent! Your brand boutique is now registered on Vyshlo. Our back-end administration team will review your application within 24 to 48 hours to get your store fully active.